I mean, dude, it works. It works. That's all I care about. Thank God. I spent like 2 weeks researching and trying to figure this out. Hello everyone, today we're going to be finishing up our LSTM model in Excel, and then we're going to be training it. We'll see what happens. So where we left off yesterday, we have built out forward pass and we built out the first step of back prop. And so now all we just need to do is roll it back up to the other time steps, update the weight. That will essentially close the loop on our learnings. And then we'll just repeat that process a couple of times, training our neural network model, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm just a little worried about this gradient with respect to CT-1 thing. Man, if this works, I will be ecstatic. And to be honest, if it doesn't work, I have no clue what to do. And those are our new weights. And so now I just have to replicate this for all the other weights, and we should be good to go. These are the last 2 sets of weights that we will be working on, and then we're done. If it works, we celebrate. If it doesn't work, we cry. I'm actually really excited to try this out, see how it goes. Now that we've built out, or we've figured out what the new weight should be, what I'm going to do is I'm going to record a macro to just replace the old weights with the new weights that we got, and then have that macro run like 1,000 times, run through the sheet 1,000 times to simulate 1,000 epochs. And over time, the new weights will constantly update the old weights, and then we'll generate a new set of weights, update the old weights, and then that should train our model, and we'll see what happens. Looks like the error went up. That's not good. Maybe let's run it 10 times. Let's see what happens. Okay, let me hit save. Oh, I'm very nervous. Yeah, so it's increasing. That just means that I flipped a sign, or I messed up a sign somewhere, which is not bad. You know, we're seeing it go consistently in one direction, so I think it's working. All I have to do is just flip a sign in here. So right now I am subtracting, and I think that's what's causing the error to go up. So if I just remove that sign and just fix it, you never know. Okay, now let's run it for another 10 epochs. We'll see what happens. It's decreasing. It's decreasing. That means it's working. Oh, look at that. So now what I'll do is I will let this go for 1,000 epochs. We'll come back and we'll see what happens. Hello. Should probably take this out of my hair. The training results are very disappointing. I won't lie. But we had a similar situation with the RNN, and we thought that it wasn't working properly, yada. And once we built in momentum and Nestrov's momentum, then it worked, and it worked really well. So I'm just thinking that all we just need to do is, again, just go ahead and implement these different momentum updates for our LSTM, and we should be good. But man, our LSTM works. It works, and it's training, and errors decreasing. The outcome isn't exactly what we wanted, but we're gonna get there. Huh? It actually didn't do bad at all. It learned to output an E after the first time step. So we input an H, outputs an E. That E goes back in. It has HE. It's learned to output an L after HEL. So HEL goes in, and unfortunately it didn't learn to output the second L. Then it's learned after we put in HELL, it's then learned to output an O. So it was only one letter off. It's not bad. And it was, it was kind of a similar situation with our vanilla R and N, right? It would always just output ELLL, so it was just one letter off. So that's done. Tomorrow what we're going to do is we will implement Nestrov's momentum and momentum update for the LSTM, and then we'll be done with Excel. We'll go back into code this up in Lua, and then from there we'll hook it up to our tic-tac-toe game, and I don't know how to end this off, but so we'll just leave it at this awkward ending. And oh man, it's been a long day, and I just had to work out. I'm exhausted. Let's work for about an hour, and let's make this hour count. So, hello everyone. Today we're going to I'm already tired. What are we doing today? Today we're going to be working on finishing up our back prop model, number 1, and then training it. So Should I do that intro again? We'll see. We'll see which one makes the vlog.